So this video is important. Some students, they have lost the track, they have lost the motivation, and they have not completed what like we decided, like day by day, this much portion we have to consider complete for GATE Aerospace exam. So students who are preparing for GATE Aerospace exam 2025 and they are following me from Feb month itself. So like what has happened and why I'm making this video today. Some students who have covered recently some topics in my coaching in aircraft structure, they have completely forgot the aircraft propulsion, and especially some important points they have completely forgot. Now some students who are revising propulsion, they are still comfortable with the propulsion even though they are in aircraft structure, but if I am asking any question in aircraft propulsion, then they are still comfortable in aircraft propulsion, they are replying those twisted parts. But students who are not revising aircraft propulsion, you know what will happen with you? When you will start revising aircraft propulsion after 1 month, 2 months like that, then you will feel entirely new thing. Like you will again struggle the same what you struggle in the beginning for aircraft propulsion. Overall thing, some students are not giving importance to the revision part. देखो हम लोग बहुत कुछ खत्म कर लिए, right? Like lot of things we have all. I should not come in Hindi because many students, you guys are watching me from different part of country and different zone in the globe, so English is like better. Sorry if I am coming to Hindi again. I'll not come. Speak in English. So revision part is very, very important, and some students are watching my video for the very first time. So you guys understand what is going on here in this video. My name is Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. My students call me Viru Sir. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 7 times. I am an IITian and I am running a dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace. And these kind of videos I make like not always, but I try to make it regularly because these are the guidance videos. So sometimes I feel like I should tell what awkward thing I am feeling about some students, what I am guiding, and sometimes I get like very good feeling after talking to them when they reply my questions. So I can track in myself what kind of path they are following, they are on the right track or not. See guys, one thing, if I am giving you any guidance, I'm talking about students who are on like self-study mode, who are following me for the self-study purpose. If you guys are not revising the subject on time, or if you don't have revision schedule, then this is the worst part in your preparation strategy. So you must have a proper revision plan. And you know why people, they don't revise properly? Because they don't finish their subject on time. And you know why they don't finish subject on time? Because most of the self-study students, they don't know what to prepare, from where they can learn this topic and what are the topics they should cover. So here I play very important role as a coaching center. If you join me, I will. So take my WhatsApp number 6380135260. Okay. So if you want to join now, just this thing and contact me on WhatsApp. Understand in this way. Now, revision plan you must have. And if you have revision plan and you are not revising, I expect there are two cases. One case, you have not finished your syllabus on time. Like whatever unit you are targeting, that for example bending chapter I will finish and then I will revise that chapter. Torsion I will finish, then I will revise that chapter in propulsion. Like that, if you have, I mean whatever revision plan you have. See, every student no need the same revision plan. My weakness is different, my memory level is different, my understanding is different, how fast I forget things different. Then students should make their own revision plan. How to judge that? What is the perfect revision plan? 9th class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, all these things you have done. By then you may have grown up these kind of plans, or maybe during your engineering you have done these kind of revision plans for length. बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है, lot of things you have to पढ़ना है, right? कितना पढ़ना है? Propulsion, structure, in structure lot of things, in propulsion lot of things. Aerodynamics, flight mechanics, in flight mechanics stability जब आएगा तो हालत खराब हो जाएगी. बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है. आई एम सेइंग हालत खराब हो जाएगी क्योंकि बहुत कुछ रिवाइज करना है. सो इफ यू विल नॉट सी, इफ यू आर ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन मेकिंग नोट्स, okay, means I understood the subject, things are on my fingertips. What is on your fingertips? Formulas. Do you think it is a complete preparation? बाद में formula, until you are not practicing well. When you will practice a lot, then you will know, oh, where is my weakness? I know the concept, I have learned this from somewhere, but still I am not able to crack this problem. ठीक है? Some problems are very easy, but out of box. Out of box means you don't need the particular topic of that chapter to solve the problem. You can solve the problem easily. It's by simple mathematics or simple physics. I mean, you have to be active. I'm making these kind of videos just to avoid, aware, like revision is very important. Revision plan तुम्हारा खुद का होना चाहिए. You must have your own revision plan. लिखो कहीं पे चिपका दो, ऐसे से रिवाइज करना है. Revision plan plays very important role. Some people revise by solving additional problems of the same chapter again and again. For example, suppose you are learning AFC, axial flow compressor. Right now you are learning, or you have to start. So suppose tomorrow you started aircraft axial flow compressor. You watched my videos, or you came to my live class, or you watched my recorded lectures, or whatever source you are following, or you can be the member from other coaching center and you are following my videos. I mean guidance videos. What will happen? You will watch the lecture, you will solve certain examples, what is given by teacher or what is mentioned by teacher to solve. Okay, that part done. So that day you understand, oh, what is AFC and blah blah things, what kind of questions. But after 1 month, do you think you will be having same strength in the topic? No, you will be weak in the topic, because you will forget the formulas, you will forget some core concepts, some twisting concepts, some interesting concepts, some facts. So what will you do? While studying, while making the notes, that time itself make a very good note, because when first time you are making the note, like everything will be new for you. But when you will revise, few things will be familiar, few things will not. Then again revision, then again revision. So one time will come, then in that note there will be nothing to revise. You will be knowing everything. So you need a revision plan. So I am making this video just to tell you revision plan is very important. अभी एक स्टूडेंट था एयरक्राफ्ट स्ट्रक्चर का टेस्ट सीरीज, आज हम उसका देखे. लाइक सी आई हैव एक्सेस, लाइक आई कैन सी योर like test series, like how much test series you have done and what was your score in the particular test series. So some students I am targeting, like because I know them, they are weak students and they are growing. तो अभी 1-2 महीने पहले, before 1 or 2 months, his growth was very good. अभी सडनली वो कल संडे था, आज मंडे है, उसका मुहर सर्कल का वो टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट सीरीज दिया, 2 क्वेश्चन सही किया बस. वो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, क्या चल रहा है? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कि तो 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो पूरा टॉप. व्हेन विल यू अटेम्प्ट टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट सीरीज? व्हेन यू नो द टॉपिक. And how will you make sure to attempt the test series? Like this is the right time to attempt the test series when you have done the topic, when you have done your all the assignments, and when you have discussed with me that sir, Moore circle is done, assignments are done, I have doubt in this question, this topic and all. So I will discuss, and when you are completely sure from your side, then go to test series. और क्या हो रहा है? और वो वही 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है जो कोई भी मोहर सर्कल का बच्चा कर लेगा. कहाँ ध्यान रह रहा है बच्चों का? I hope take my words in this way. I am trying to guide you that revision is important and revision matters. Everyone will be having different revision plan. Toppers will talk differently. Like even in my coaching center, when toppers are giving interview, they have their own plan, and every topper's plan is different if you check. But everyone will talk about the proper revision plan. So when you come to the revision, your revision style, your way of revision, you have to find out now. How can I guide you for that? I can just give you some tips, like keep solving test series on time to time. This can be one way to revise. Another way is select some good questions and repeat the same question after 1 month, after 2 months. This can be a good plan. Some students who are not having any coaching center, they have not taken any test series, then target some books and solve that problem again and again 2-3 times, and if you are able to solve, good. And but एक smart perfect notebook होना चाहिए तुम्हारे पास. You must have a very good notebook. Everything should be written in that notebook, and that notebook must be revised on regular basis, because you don't know which part you have forgot. Okay, so in regular basis you keep revising that, and whatever topics you are writing, whatever formula you are writing, make very proper. Formula में mistake मत कर दो. कुछ लोग होते हैं ब्रैकेट छोड़ देंगे, स्क्वायर कर देंगे, 1 माइनस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर, तो वो 1 माइनस बीटा का स्क्वायर कर देंगे. मतलब इस टाइप के मिस्टेक्स नहीं करने हैं, अच्छे से नोट्स बनाने हैं. ओके, ठीक है, चलो फिर मिलते हैं. और सुनो, एक और चीज़ बताना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. नाउ राइट नाउ इन माई कोचिंग सेंटर वी हैव फिनिश्ड एयरक्राफ्ट प्रपल्शन इन सो मच डिटेल फ्रॉम जीरो completely, and students are they have solved assignment, they have solved test series, and some people they don't join me in Feb month itself. They join me in April, May, June, July, August, September. Like they join me late also. So when you join me late, you will be having your separate study plan. Like, okay, if you are joining me in June, this date, you are joining me in July on this date, then you need a separate study plan. So whatever videos, whatever lectures you have missed, those lectures I will provide you, and you watch those lectures. After watching those lectures, you ask me doubts, okay? And at the same time, you be parallel with my current topics also in the live class. So you divide your available time in two parts. In one part, you watch those videos what you have missed and ask your doubts, make notes, ask your doubts, solve assignment, ask your doubt, solve test series, ask your doubt. And one part, you join me in live also, so that two things. For example, right now I am teaching aircraft structure. So you start aircraft structure with me. क्योंकि कभी ना कभी तो वो पोर्शन पढ़ना ही है, because definitely some day will come you have to study that portion. So you study with me now. And in propulsion also, do that in propulsion, side by side, keep propulsion also on track. And then when suppose propulsion also got over, structure also got over, and you are joining me when I am doing aerodynamics in class, then join me live for the aerodynamics and propulsion and structure. These things you keep. And if you are targeting for 2026 or 2027, join me as soon as possible right now. I have a completely fully dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace with everything, live class with recorded videos of this year and all few previous years, 2022, 2023, 2024. I am running GATE Aerospace 2014. 10 साल 11 साल हो गया, 25 का गेट देने वाले बच्चे, 2025 is about to. Okay, बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है. Like some students, they target, like they ask, sir, can I qualify in 2 years? How can I say you can qualify in 2 years or not? Some students ask, sir, can I qualify in 2 months in this crash course? Because I also run the crash course. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि तुम 2 साल में क्वालिफाई करोगे कि नहीं करोगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There is a path. I will suggest you. One thing I promise. When I am teaching you anything, you will be having complete idea about that topic. And this is what a student should know. Like, okay, this is the topic, sir is teaching me, and I am learning the topic. My job over. Sir is teaching me every single topic, and I am learning every single topic, and then assignment I am solving, I am not able to solve. So I'm asking doubt to the sir, and sir is again explaining the doubt. This is what my job is. Then sir is teaching test series. I mean, I'm solving test series, doubt, solution is there, watch. If not, then ask doubt again. Then I will explain the doubt part properly. But in GATE exam, you have to sit alone to write the live questions, to solve the live questions in GATE exam. There I will not be there. So before that, you have to be like a warrior, like a soldier. Everything is ready. Be ready like army people. Everyone knows about all the arts. Right? वैसे तैयार होना है, वैसे ट्रेंड होना है कि हर चीज जाननी है हमको. उसके बाद रैंक अपने आप आएगी. I don't promise for rank if you can't promise for your own thing. So ज्वाइन करने से पहले, बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग मी, माइंड सेट होना चाहिए कि आई विल गिव इनफ टाइम वॉट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड. हाउ मच टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड? इफ यू हैव डन योर बीटेक perfectly in 4 years, then minimum 9 to 11, like these kind of months are important. Roughly, like minimum 9 is important. If you have not like completed your very good BTech, 4 years of journey is not very, very good. If you belong to some college where you feel that I have messed up my 4 years, in that case 2 years of dedicated preparation is important. Dedicated 2 years. Why? Because in 1 year you will understand things in detail, in depth, and then slowly you will start your practice speed. Because on day 1 itself, and one more thing, keep judging yourself. If you are not growing, then in 1 day you will not grow. Growing is like, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम, I can see some students, जब वो यहीं पर मोहर सर्कल में 2 क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं आउट ऑफ 10, तो गेट एग्जाम में कैसे वो क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे? हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस? I am teaching you more circle, I am teaching you assignment, I am teaching you test series. Again, whenever you are asking doubts, I am telling you. But फिर भी क्यों नहीं grow हो रहा? So for that, again, we have some ideas. See, if some topics are not coming in your catch, leave that topic. Don't do that topic. If you are feeling that uncomfortable, I am being uncomfortable with this particular unit or topic, leave that. Go ahead. Right? So this is how you will go ahead. And that's all. You can contact me, and so much important topics are, I mean, important points I have given in description box. Go to the description box, read that, and then contact me. Thank you all. Best of luck.